Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bolt app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bolt is a popular ride request app designed to connect riders with drivers quickly and affordably. The app features upfront pricing, real-time driver tracking, various ride options, and easy cashless payments. It aims to provide a smooth and convenient transportation experience in many urban areas. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Bolt's simple and clean interface, the speed of matching with nearby drivers, and the flexibility of ride choices from economy to premium. Many find the pricing competitive, and the app's driver tracking feature reassuring. Additionally, the cashless payment system adds convenience for riders on the go. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report surge pricing during peak hours, which can increase ride costs unexpectedly. Occasional delays or cancellations by drivers have also been noted. While Bolt is widely available, coverage varies by city, so it may not be the best option everywhere. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Bolt app may be worth using if you're looking for an easy-to-use, affordable ride service with reliable features and wide availability. However, if surge pricing or coverage in your area is a concern, you might want to consider other options as well. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.